Imagine robots designed not only to survive, but thrive in combat zones. Modern military robots are built with reinforced exoskeletons, protective shielding, and exceptional strength to handle extreme battlefield conditions. Equipped with sophisticated mobility algorithms, they can traverse rocky terrain, withstand blasts, and carry heavier gear than human soldiers. These bots are quick, durable, and can handle heavy weaponry without fatigue, giving them the advantage over human soldiers in hostile environments. Advanced AI allows them to learn and adapt, improving coordination for more complex tasks. Whether it's scaling walls, dodging bullets, or carrying heavy artillery, these robots can operate autonomously or alongside soldiers, making them indispensable in high-risk missions. Specialized combat units and battlefield support. These military robots are more than just extra muscle. They're becoming specialized combat units with skills tailored to the modern battlefield. Equipped with advanced targeting and reconnaissance technology, they can operate with precision, analyzing threats in real time and responding with calculated, lethal force. Picture a specialized unit of robots designed for breaching enemy lines, swift, resilient, and each equipped with targeting software that ensures precision shooting, even in the midst of battle chaos. They can detect, lock onto, and neutralize hostile forces, providing vital backup or leading dangerous charges where human casualties would be high. What makes them unique, though, is not just their combat capability, but their versatility in battlefield support roles. In addition to direct combat, these robots can handle everything from logistics to field repairs, resupply missions, and even medical support. A robot with the ability to stabilize an injured soldier and transport them to safety can be a lifesaver in remote or hostile environments where waiting for human medics isn't an option. Some models come fitted with manipulative hands that allow them to perform delicate tasks like administering first aid or carrying sensitive equipment. Visuals could play here, showing battlefield-ready robots from Boston Dynamics or other manufacturers taking down targets in coordinated attacks, each task executed with robotic precision. Their contributions don't stop at traditional combat. These bots can also be deployed in high-risk environments for specialized support tasks, such as clearing landmines, setting up temporary structures, or creating defensive perimeters. Imagine a squad of these robots sweeping through a hostile urban environment, securing buildings one by one, and allowing human soldiers to move in safely. With human-like dexterity, they're able to grab and pass items, coordinate with soldiers, and even act as sentries that can identify, track, and respond to potential threats autonomously. Whether it's breaking down barriers, offering cover fire, or taking charge of critical rescue operations, these specialized robots enhance soldiers' capabilities, empowering them to take on high-stakes missions with reduced risk and increased effectiveness. Robots in the Ukrainian conflict, enhanced surveillance and combat. In Ukraine, the relentless warfare has created a testing ground for cutting-edge tech, especially in robotics. The battlefield has seen rapid advancements in drone and robotic warfare, with both sides leveraging these machines for reconnaissance, logistics, and even combat. As the scale of autonomous tech grows, Ukraine and other nations are deploying highly specialized robots that gather critical intel, navigate hostile territories, and support soldiers on the ground. A powerful example here is the use of surveillance drones and ground robots for live intelligence. These machines give troops a real-time map of enemy movements, allowing forces to strategize, evade, or counter effectively. Imagine small, nearly silent drones hovering above, capturing high-resolution footage of enemy camps, artillery locations, and supply lines, all without risking human lives. The next step, bots that can do more than just watch. Some of these drones are being weaponized to deliver pinpoint strikes on high-value targets, dropping small explosives or laser-guiding artillery from above. With these tools, Ukrainian forces can hit specific areas with almost surgical precision, minimizing collateral damage and optimizing impact. At ground level, bipedal and wheeled robots can provide heavy support, working in tandem with human soldiers. In dense urban settings, these robots can be outfitted to identify threats, provide cover fire, or neutralize explosives. Their precision makes them especially useful in environments filled with civilians, where a mistake could be catastrophic. Picture a scene where these bots, programmed to clear and secure buildings, enter a conflict zone, targeting enemy forces while sparing non-combatants. In the video, a Boston Dynamics-style bot could be seen dismantling a target or maneuvering through debris-ridden streets, demonstrating just how nimble and effective they can be in close quarters. Furthermore, many of these robots use AI to learn and adapt to battlefield conditions. Armed with sophisticated sensors and machine learning algorithms, they study their environment, identify potential threats, and even communicate with each other to plan coordinated actions. This level of cooperation allows these bots to act as a united front, enhancing the capabilities of human soldiers and transforming the battlefield into a space where AI and robotics play pivotal, potentially life-saving roles, replacing human soldiers in high-risk environments. In high-stakes zones like dense urban war zones, minefields, and areas hit by chemical weapons, deploying human soldiers is often a deadly gamble. Here, robotic units are a game changer, stepping into roles that typically risk human lives. Picture robotic units equipped with specialized sensors designed to detect mines, chemical threats, and enemy movements, each bot trained to neutralize these threats without putting a single human soldier at risk. When crossing mined landscapes, these robots would use advanced LIDAR, light detection and ranging, to scan the ground in real time, identifying hidden dangers. And it's not just about mines. Imagine the same bots equipped to carry out reconnaissance in potentially radioactive or biohazardous zones, sending back detailed data to command centers. A Boston Dynamics-style ground bot built to handle rough terrain could be programmed to provide cover or lay down suppressive fire, advancing while protecting others from enemy fire. Another application here could be armed surveillance drones. Imagine flying units acting as spotters, identifying enemy targets, and relaying positions directly to other bots or allied human forces. Using the same tech as Tesla's FSD, but adapted for combat, these ground and air units could make split-second adjustments, ensuring accuracy and safety even amidst rapid, chaotic battlefield shifts. This tech isn't science fiction anymore. In the Ukrainian conflict, for example, drones and semi-autonomous vehicles are already proving invaluable, especially for reconnaissance and clearing missions. The leap to full robotic soldiers isn't far off. Robots that can replace or even outperform humans in the deadliest jobs of war. With each advancement, they're reducing the need for human presence on the front lines, saving lives by taking the most dangerous roles themselves. As robotic technology continues to advance, the battlefield of tomorrow is becoming a hybrid of human ingenuity and machine precision. Robots are already proving invaluable in modern conflicts, acting as scouts, defenders, and combatants alongside human soldiers. From enhanced surveillance to precise combat actions, these machines are evolving to tackle complex war scenarios with unprecedented efficiency. The ultimate goal is to create an environment where soldiers face fewer direct threats, allowing robots to shoulder the most dangerous tasks.